Welcome, students. Today we are going to learn a poem which is about kind deeds you have done for the needy in your day to day life. The topic of the poem is Have You Earned Your Tomorrow by Edgar Guest. Let us learn about the poet. Edgar Albert Guest, born on 20th August 1881, died on 5th August 1959, was a British-born American poet, popular in the first half of the 20th century and became known as the people's poet. His poems often had an inspirational and optimistic view of everyday life. Edgar Guest penned some 11,000 poems which were syndicated in some 300 newspapers and collected in more than 20 books, including A Heap O' Livin' and Just Fox. Edgar Guest was made Poet Laureate of Michigan, the only poet to have been awarded the title. Let us look at the highlights about the poem. This is an inspirational poem. In this poem, the speaker is asking the reader whether they have done anything to improve the life of another human being or not. Therefore, one should consider one's actions and deeds carefully and plan accordingly for a better future. Is anybody happier because you passed his way? Does anyone remember that you spoke to him today? This day is almost over, and its toiling time is through. Is there anyone to utter now a kindly word of you? Let me explain the first stanza. The poet asks a question to the reader whether you have helped anyone by your kind words, good deeds, or helped them in solving their problems, rather than going away without any concern to them. The whole day passed, and at the end of the day, the hard work you have done, they have remembered you by speaking softly about you, your praise of good deeds and politeness, kindness that you have done for them. Second stanza. Did you give a cheerful greeting to the friend who came along? Or a churlish sort of howdy, then vanish in the throng? Were you selfish, pure, and simple as you rush along the way? Or is someone mighty grateful for a deed you did today? Let me explain the second stanza. Now, here, the second stanza begins with another question. The speaker asks, if any time during the day you greeted a friend cheerfully, now the kindness is moving inward. The speaker is also concerned with how you treat those to you as well. In the next line, he presents the opposite and pushes the reader on their own selfish tendencies rather than a cheerful, heartfelt hello. The speaker asks if you were churlish, or rude. This would also be marked by one's quick disappearance into the crowd and a rushing off to another task. It is clear the speaker feels distaste at the idea of treating a friend in this way. He says very clearly that it is a purely selfish way to be, as if he is hoping for the opposite response. He asks, or did you act differently? And is someone grateful for a deed you did today? Can you say tonight, in parting with the days that's sleeping fast, that you helped a single brother of the many that you passed? Is a single heart rejoicing over what you did or said? Does a man whose hopes were fading now with courage look ahead? Let me explain the third stanza. Here, the third stanza begins with a longer question, probing into any help the reader might have given to a single brother. It is enough for the speaker if you were kind to one person out of the many that you passed. An action like this would be sufficient to have earned your tomorrow. In the second half of the third stanza, the speaker uses courage and cowardice as tools to improve or worsen someone's life. He asks if there is one single heart that is now rejoicing due to your actions. Ideally, he would like there to be a man with improved hopes and courage to look ahead. Did you waste the day or lose it? Was it well or sorely spent? Did you leave a trail of kindness or a scar of discontent? As you close your eyes in slumber, do you think that God would say, "You have earned one more tomorrow by the work you did today"? By Edgar Guest. Let me explain. Here, the speaker states that any day not spent, at least in part, improving the lives of others is wasted. It is lost if it was sorely or badly spent, on the other hand. If it was well spent, there will be a trail of kindness, marking one's path through the day. The last line tells the reader that they can close their eyes in slumber and think about what God would have to say to them. If, after considering the response of God, a reader feels as if they have done well, then tomorrow is assured. Otherwise, God might look kindly on the actions or inactions of the day and tomorrow might not come. Thank you. Let us learn the appreciation of the poem. Title: Have You Earned Your Tomorrow by Edgar Guest. About the poem. It is a four stanza poem that is separated into sets of four lines or quatrains. It is a self evaluation poem. The poet asks the question to you. About the poet, Edgar Guest. His poem often had an inspirational and optimistic view of everyday life. Theme of the poem: Be kind to all. Try to be helpful to anyone in need. Always be cheerful. Have a positive attitude. Special features. Here, the poet asks the questions to you, the reader, in every four stanzas. Message. The poet has given a wonderful message of kindness, helping one another by way of greeting each other in loving manner, not rudely, but by saying, "How do you do?" Spend some quality time with others. so that you can think what you have done today for tomorrow. Moral: the lesson we have learnt in this poem is that an act of kindness leads to happiness in our life. Thank you, students. Have a nice day. Be kind, helpful to all.